little. You notice, where do you know, with the guy from Clarendon were running as MP, and now he say more credit government to court because they're breaching the constitutional right, which is the right to choose and the right to vote for you want right vote for. The constitution.
No, but that's not totally. That's not. No, but that's not totally different argument.
Constitution faster supersedes every law that was passed in the Parliament, and the Integrity Commission Act was passed in the Parliament, and the Constitution say me Munchie B have the right to my privacy. So me now give up my right to my privacy to the IC. Come here, me in a government. I'm a husband in a government. I'm a husband of two different persons.
Yeah, but you have to understand that as he being a member anyway, I don't think whichever member of parliament is deciding that he's going to go into politics.
Yes.
You have to sit down with the wifey and the children and say, this is what me are going to do. You're now a public figure. Yes, but and you're a public figure. But look,
Pastor, me have to cut you. Politics have nothing to do with the Integrity Commission Act that was passed in Parliament by those people. The Parliament is different from the IC because remember the Parliament is in the Constitution, the MP, everything is in the Constitution. The Integrity Commission Act is not. And them upper Parliament
Munchie, right if you are not a part of it, hold on, Munchie, what part of what you have to give up is that you have to understand, say, we don't want your husband a pass of things give you and through we can't.
That is why.
That a way to try prevent.
No. My husband say, when the IC write to my husband and say, Mr. Grant, where do your wife work? What is your wife or whatever? Me go right back and say, me go to what me the husband must write back to the IC and say, I'm gonna find out from my wife. And then me the wife I go right to the IC to my husband and say, I am invoking my constitutional right to my privacy. Therefore, I will not give up my privacy.
No, Munchie, we can't go with that. We can't go with that. You is a true labor right. You is a true person, but everybody not true.
And you see what Mickey say?
Yeah,
but Munchie can be challenged. Of course, it can be challenged in constitutional court.
No, but
because me never give my right to privacy. My husband did.
Yes, but Munchie, here how it have to do now. Them just have to do it just like how Mark Golden did it. He set up a trust company. He set up a trust company.
Me nah do that. Me I tell my husband say, go for the IC because the worst thing in the constitution. They go tell them say me Munchie B say based on the Bill of Rights number 5. Every Jamaican is entitled to them privacy. Therefore, me Munchie B is exercising my constitutional right to privacy, and therefore I will not send my business up there because they can't carry me to court because they can't win.
Yeah, but
the Constitution supersedes every law that was written and passed in a parliament.
Yes, but I mean, I guess if you set up your entity. If your entities are set up differently, I guess that can be made so. But if you and your husband are officers in a company, then you're going to have to declare it.
My husband and me not going to conflict because my husband is
No. I said no. We're not talking about conflict. What we're talking about is if you and him are officers of one company.
Yes,
then no, it is going to have to be declared. But that if you have your own business, I don't think.
Absolutely correct, Pastor. Spot on.
I don't think that should have the right
to. And me, I do my own thing, and you're gonna come ask me my business when me never send away my rights to you. You must be crazy. And I said it last year, Pastor. I'm repeating because maybe never over a year. Every MP must put them account and them asset in a foreign trust. Now, same country where Mark Golden asset they hide. The prime
because he did it.
This is Holness, Rhoda, all the government MPs get a lawyer, set up them trust, put in them pitney name or them mother name and put it in a foreign trust and put it in the country. Same country where Mark Golden asset they hide and the same country the member of parliament must put their assets. I would have fixed the IT business.
Okay.
That is
Andrew Holness, it's abroad, you know. Andrew Holness, you know what happened? Andrew Holness learn a few things. I can't think them trick him. You understand? Because just like when you're seeing Bolden putting money in the same thing and everybody will come and tell you about this and that, and what happened? He may not lose his money. And I think the same thing happened with Andrew. He was naive to
He should have
certain
left his
rules.
money where it was.
Yeah.
Thank you, Pastor. The
To certain
person who
rules.
advised the Prime Minister to bring home the money from St. Lucia, Prime Minister should fire that advisor and that lawyer. He should have left his money in St. Lucia. Just like how Mark Gordon owned their British Virgin Island. He shouldn't have done it.
But what he was trying to do is to try to say, okay, I'm being transparent. My hands are clean. But you're saying, come out and backfire against him. There's no rich people on earth who have some trust or institution as such.
Of course.
There's no rich individual that doesn't have that.
Make you think Mark Gordon know win the business class and the upper class people in a Kingston and Montego. Because every business, every executive, every proprietor knows that Mark Gordon is a hypocrite. That's why the PNP did not get the no vote from the middle class. Only the bottom of the barrel and the one them. You know why me and Pastor? Because they know that Mark Gordon and Bunting richer than Andrew Holness.
But hold on, you remember, Karen came on media with the war room girls, and she said that enough of the big business people are more worried because them same can't be trusted. How Mark Gordon operate, it say one thing now and say something else different.
Yeah. Good night, Mark Gordon richer than Mark Gordon and Bunting richer than Andrew Holness. About 20 years back home. They wear and they make the most of the money on the back of poor people when Omar Davis was the Minister of Finance. That's why they don't get no vote from the business class.
You think I don't think that they say, allegedly that they said Richmond when they come and buy out all of the FinSac, the Texas billionaire, when they come and buy out the FinSac assets. You don't think so they get a piece of it?
Of course.
Allegedly.
And you know what, in the debate, guys, when Mark Gordon about conflict of interest because Mrs. Holness is a she's a builder, whatever. Yeah. Mark Gordon a build too, unless see what property all over the country with proven signed.
No, you know where I got into an argument with somebody. I briefly told them to stop it. You see that huge glass apartment complex was built up at Jacksonville, where if you stay in a Ligani, you can see this huge complex built up at Jacksonville. Everybody had it to say that it's Juliet Wallace was building it. Now it's some Browning a build the complex, right? Now tell me which Browning you know in a Jamaica, which Browning family you know in a Jamaica have any black person as them directors?
Exactly.
Juliet Wallace never grew up in a film class, they never go to school with them. You understand?
And they don't even want her.
And all of them things there.
You think would have fling her
right?
And
how she did for bill. Even rich people, you know, people be at Christmas dinner, some the aunt-in-law get in an argument, you know. What she says, Juliet wants to build this huge tower. And I had to say, no man, I'm going to research it. And when I saw Juliet Holness in the supermarket about a year ago, I said, you want to build that up there, sir? Because she said to me, you don't know about that.
Okay. Foster.
You see Karen had to come and say when them talk about say Juliet Holness own piece of land or whatever, and when it come out, it turn out to be one of them Jamaican Browning family own it again. Right? When them go and do the research. That is how lie them be.
Yeah, good point. That's the point I was going to make Foster. That when they said no, but look here, remember when they said the Juliet name end up on Melissa Sylvia mother title, no?
Or all that garbage.
Yes, and when parents and it's them killed Melissa for the land and so on. Look here, that's a lot of lies told on those people. But you know what?
No, but
you know what?
You know what me I understand to this date. The woman died, people came out and announced that she died peacefully in her sleep. Now, when you die peacefully in your sleep, you go to sleep and your heart stop, right?
Yeah.
So how 3 bullets end up in our nether regions?
And not only that,
they had a one magnum was shoot 3 bullets in there.
Yeah, in a all the way down in our front, from our heart to our front. But listen, when the member say I'm a Kamla Ripe Mango, Thieving Fox, Rotten Mango, Forbes. And she is the first person to come out and come and call up Mrs. Holness' name. But Mrs. Holness' name, what is your name doing on our land title? And she come out and keep big life. That little germs, you see how police in the office when North Carolina fling on the cuff on her and tell her to walk fast.
Okay, how come in here nobody a talk about that? How come in here nobody a talk about that? You know, it's so deadly quiet over there.
Where do you Mr. Cole
You
go
know,
up on
it's so
one
deadly
live?
quiet over there.
Well, and then Mr. Cole go up on one live and I ask him, what is really happening to Ripe Mango? You want to hear them? You must leave it alone. This and that. You want me to screen record them? I say, I laugh something like that. Piece up myself. All dirty criminal them.
I'm disgusting, man. You know.
But Foster.
Yeah.
You know, Michelle's turn to point out a thing. She said, listen, the last time when she checked Mark Golding's statutory declaration that the IC passed, she noticed that all his assets value 2.1 million. No, she said, listen. She said, listen, Golding got 8.7 million from the sales of DB&G. And she said, no, his asset, after the check of all he declared, it valued 2.1 million. So she said, what happened? Is he such a bad businessman that he lost about $6.6 million? Or is he lying? So she's saying, why the contractor general didn't probe into this more? You see what I'm saying?
Let me tell you something, you see? Let me tell you, I'm here to cut you, but let me tell you something, you see? I've had reason to sue somebody. And when I go to court, what happened, how their lawyer argued. All right, let me put it out there. I got hit down at York Pharmacy pedestrian crossing years ago. We went to court, and the other side is arguing that there was no pedestrian crossing there. You know, when you go into court, everything is based off evidence.
Yes.
And you're dealing with lawyers. And what do lawyers study? Every single way to go around the evidence to prove your case to win. Mark Golding is a lawyer. That was his first profession. You understand? I don't know if he wasn't good at it, why he never stayed when the company him work with, become a family, did business with that law firm, and that's how I knew him. And that's when I did not like him, because he came across as imperious. You understand? Or about to make a word, extremely arrogant. And that's when I say, oh, this is damn fool. I'm going to go back to my aunt and say, yo, here, one, I don't like the brother there, you know. I'm going to take that business there for right, you say, you know. You understand? Because I don't like the brother there. Because me and him in an argument inside it. Because one thing, you know, me grow up, and me say every single thing while going on earth, so color not impress me. You understand? So anyway, lawyers know how to go around every single trick in the book. I remember everybody and their brother, sister, uncle, and auntie was lawyer in a PGA time. And why were they? Why were they such? Why were they such? Because they know how to go around every single damn trick in the book and how to manipulate situations. That is their job. And that is why I don't trust them. Mark Golding can come and argue every single trick in the book, and worse when they move against the general, move to the general population. You understand? Them can manipulate the man because the people them don't know. The people them don't know that when you go to court and you say, one pedestrian crossing the right, yes, so. Them think you can just go to court and say the pedestrian crossing the right. They say, no, you have to prove that it is there. Which in my case, the head of the NWA and the Lewin guy who always used out of a tree there, the deep voice, senior superintendent man there, him and the head of the NWA had to come and make testimony.
Radcliffe Lewis.
Yeah, Radcliffe had to come and make testimony in court that the pedestrian crossing that me see from me born and grow. I live in a Kingston here. Me see, and everybody else drive over, even the damn judge. It had to be brought, documented, and evidence brought by the head of the relevant organization that it was there. So they know every single trick in the book, how to get around that. You understand? So he's a master at those things. Remember, they went and started a bank. And they knew how to do whatever in law to make sure, say, whatever money is made, and the people them don't know.
No, but
And he said he's a corporate lawyer.
Pastor, what happened,
Yeah.
you know? What happened, you know? I think you mentioned that FinSac thing. All right, what happened, you know, when the government set up FinSac, you know, they started issuing out bailouts. And what happened? The documents of all those who got bailed out, a lot of that paper were destroyed. All right, right here before me. I'm looking, Foster, I'm looking at the
Yeah,
thing
but
here
hold
before.
on, When FinSac, when they don't they send NCB towards down corner, whatever. What the new NCB towers, right?
Mutual Life.
When Mutual Life building, right? Fortunately, I was there with a friend who was working there as one of them computer people. And me used to follow them go. Because they work every day. Follow them go down there. And I knew lawyers who were working at a very large law firm, young lawyers, who just start life, who all of a sudden them a consultant there. And all of a sudden, who no buy a house, yes, so who no buy a house, that's so. All of a sudden, how did they get it? All of a sudden, you just come out of law firm in a firm 2 years, all of a sudden you can buy a house. What kind of case you did win, so? You understand?
Yeah,
right?
and
what happened? And what happened? Right?
Foster,
everything was a hustle.
Yeah, but
and
Foster,
when they lost the election, you know, it was rumored that if one of the heat signature machine did pass over Mutual Life, it would have been so hot because this shredding machine was shredding the documents them inside there.
Ah, that's it. Because listen, Foster, I'm looking at something here where it said that Jamaican, them saying according to a list dated December 2001 and addressed to Patrick Hilton, then FinSac managing director. All right, this is what you have a construction company, you know, that had its 326 million balance reduced to 4 million, you know, down a whopping 322 million. Who got that big, you know? So
I would tell you, they received a point where some of the assets. Look, I think FinSac and the whole financial meltdown was a means to decimate the entire JLP financial support base.
Yeah, man. But Foster, what happened to the doctor? Listen, I blame all this, you know, because guess what happened now? Those documents are government documents. They should not allow the PNP to destroy them. They destroy a lot of documents.
How them did not prevent them when the PNP didn't know? Remember, Omar come put his foot in their mouth and everybody say, "What?" and start thing there, you know, and start shut up them foolishness why them lose, you know. So in all of that time, them shredded everything. They shredded everything with all that time. You remember when Portia first lost? When I must look at the habits of people, you know. Or remember when Portia first lost the election? You remember what she made? Yeah, she made a comment on stage. JLP, you better not shred. You better not shred the document them because we want to see what go on. Why would she have made such a statement?
Exactly. Here.
Eh?
The
PNP, one thing they always put out the narrative on what other people, what they do.
Projection. Just like I was just talking about right man calling JLP thief and she's a thief. And a lot of PNP, you know, talking about
youngster.
Get caught
And yeah. All right then. Okay then.
Look here, Foster, there's no evidence. All know the PNP can't come with 1 ounce of evidence that Andrew benefited from taxpayers' money. Even though, listen,
Mikey, you know, when it came clear, absolutely positively clear to me, when the big fool, let me show you, so them don't know not what business, some of them in up, they only get their money through politics. When the fool them go release the documents what the IC produced to the media, I show Andrew Holness when they put him money here so and they put him money there so. And when the people who me I talk to down on the mat, I say Ray and Tay. I say when enough people look and saw that document, they realize, but hold on there. No me this.
Exactly.
And some me drop me little money here so, and some me drop me little money there so,
Exactly,
and some me try
sir.
all it. And I turn over the money and then me buy one little taxi. And then
worldwide
and when they turn on and say, me can't believe that, and then ask them the question, so how did you 5 years ago draw, well, we want to draw foot slippers, foot dirty, come in here and buy and sell car. In a 5 years gain some assets. And him take 20 years to gain $1 million US. And somebody would tell you, say, that is a failure.
But it is in business, of course.
But Olympically,
And I said to them, no, you have to put the shoe in a people's foot. So I argued with them. I said, tell me something. How many are you? When you did go to school, see the little lady put on one little stall. And she have this sweetie, the little biscuit. They are the tambourine.
Chips.
You remember that?
Bag juice.
Yeah. Bag juice and all of them thing there. And then when she tell you, say she have 3 picnic and go college. What did she do? Is you're telling her that she's a thief? Is that what you're saying? I said, remember when them say, oh, Andrew take him $250,000 with Juliet there pan tour. You understand? I'll take him must go up a UE. You remember when him said that? People saw that was them.
Yep. Me see that in all my life.
When Mrs. Holness, the one time I met Mrs. Holness in the supermarket uptown there. Mrs. Holness came in. The first thing I said to her, Mrs. Holness, where's the security detail? And she turned and she said, like she called her name and it's like she never sure. I'm say you can't do that. You can't walk up and down without the detail. You're the Prime Minister's wife and a minister of government. You can't. And she said, it's true. And she made a call. So we don't know if somebody came. When you see she going to the supermarket, this is opposed to when call. Let me tell you something. There's everything I've done in this world. You see? So me is working in a supermarket business. When you see certain people, when them did in a government, they come a supermarket, you see 2, 3 Charlie them a pull. And they ram me up. And when you look, bail back, way back, that's when I saw for just it's still there college. And when you come, then pull, because I used to come in a supermarket regularly, right? And when they come and them that's off, the PNP people, right? When they come, I used to them put the trolley out, the poor trolley, then they push it no more the wheel and drop off the weight loaded with goods. Right?
No, them are push it neither. Remember that.
No, man, them are push it, man. Them are push it. Them not walk with them because they don't want people to know their business. Because they are the way how them operate. Is that when them walk, you remember me bring up the analogy about the slice of bread? Them cut the bread and bread, distribute it to their friend, and then take the crumbs and box it off to everybody else. So them don't want everybody know their business. Only people are going to know their business if you come, they comes to them. And then sometimes they come late at night and the place almost locked. You understand? Now when you see them come and then walk around with this air of entitlement and then do all of that shit. If you notice from Carla Siaga, when she come in the supermarket, she come in the middle there and when you see she take time, you see she take down the thing and she look on the price and she put it down on the trolley. Everybody just did that. They want to take the shelf and the rest of PNP, they want to take the shelf and just draw everything in the trolley and then just call about the business. You understand?
Miss Carla is such a nice lady.
Carla, when you see her come, she take up and sometimes she'll be there for like, you see her bring the daughter. And you see her in there, she did it for probably all a good 45 minutes. And then she take her time, go up at the cashier. You understand? When Mrs. Holness know, you see she come in and they think the same thing. She come and then the whole heap of people acknowledge her and she stand up and she talk to me and she say, put your bag in at the trolley man, make her walk and talk. I will walk and talk. And when you look, you see she take up the pumpkin and she look and she say, I cook me, I go cook little later. And all of them say to me, I say, but right, here she say, going to think for the helper. And you say, but hold on there. And this you want for lead you. These like a body language is what I take, You understand?
Genuineness.
These are things like the body, yeah. You understand? And like when Mr. Man, they have him wife, who say, You understand? Only appear when thing there. When me first see
Faster, what happened to him wife as an uptown man? Can you explain that? Come and get it.
all right. Let me
Olympic.
explain to you
Give
from
yourself
what
Olympic.
let me explain to you from what I learned from I was a child. Even though I'm a black man, you understand? We grew up knowing certain people. So there was no way, unless Michael Malley was a rebel, right?
Right.
There was no way you come from a certain thing. What if them not Jamaican? You come down here so and your thing there. So all of the stories with him and the girl being the helper and all of that stuff, that is all true. But what happened now? You remember back in the day, you remember my father was a diplomat.
That is not true.
No, hold on,
was not a helper.
Her mother was not a helper. What was her mother?
Her mother was a dressmaker in the community of Augustown.
So how it end up that daughter end up in a theme house?
What do you mean?
You must say how she catch up there.
How Margolin, the lady daughter catch up at Margolin house?
The one thing I know, Mark Golin used to frequent that area. Remember now, the rehab place, the back of the rehab place and the back of campus where your father teach, back onto Augustown Road. Just remember that.
So you see the
only thing we like talk accurate things over here.
Yeah.
That's
no, I'm telling you what I heard. I'm just telling you what I heard.
May I tell you the actual fact.
So what you basically say?
Okay.
So basically what you say, Margoli never used to get none and him go and see a little black name and then get the little pumpsy. And that's what you say?
I don't know if he never used to get them. I never used to give him.
So he used to go around at the back gate down a Bryce Road and go down there?
No, because what I found strange is that up until now, I don't hear of any of his ilk him dating any of them or any such thing.
Right.
So
what may I say is our mother was never a helper. Our mother and our father were two.
Okay, I get that. If that is so fine.
She, like I said, he used to frequent the area.
But Petal, based on where?
All right, hold on. So all right, based on what? Let's just say Petal thing as what is so.
No,
right,
but don't hold on the faster. Wait. Based on where me know, right? Because me used to live right at the back gate at Bryce Lane, 21 Silvera Drive, Mona Road, right? So me used to come.
You live at Silvera Drive. She used to live at 19. I can't tell you where she used to live. 19 Bryce Lane.
Oh, okay, so she done. Oh, okay.
She's right over the campus, right at back at campus.
No, man, she come, no.
Right at back at Ballfield. Right at back at Ballfield, this one. 2 steps down a Bryce Lane.
So the mother and the daughter.
One dressmaker did down there, sir?
Yeah, down a Bryce Lane, Miss Erie.
Okay.
And our father used to sell bread. He used to work on bakery.
Right behind she walk right at the plaza there so and go down in the road at Bryce Lane.
Yeah. And you can enter in front of our judgment here. There's one liquor.
Yeah, man, and come up at the back.
Right.
Okay. So so you are say Petal. You are say him got the back gate the upper my side, the back gate, the gate there if you come out of your way, you know.
Yeah, you have back gate. Right? And then you have up a camp up with the football field there when they used to play football. Remember, say, right, it's a back onto Augustown Road, you know?
Yeah, man, but you not have concrete wall. So me I say
camp used to open. I just know them put one gate over where camp there. You talk about campus back gate?
Yeah.
Campus back gate and one rotating entrance gate.
Yeah, one of that they did it.
Yes. And then you have down a camp did open. Your camp it was an open place. It never even usually long after Mr. Bartlett put wall down there.
Okay. Me get where you come from.
Okay. So the situation is ended up and get the youngster pregnant. The girl pregnant.
But was she a youngster though? Petal, when
I say youngster, the two of them young.
But they say I'm 25 based on data.
She young when she's pregnant. She's never young. She's never young when she's pregnant, guys.
Okay.
When I say youngster, I mean the two of them are youngster and them never do nothing illegal. She get pregnant.
She actually
Alright.
older than
But-
Mark. You don't know that, right?
The older than
serious?
Mark.
Yes. Like must about 3 or 4 years.
Wow. Okay.
She keep up then.
Come on.
As we
Well, I
would
guess.
say.
Well, so,
Then if
but you know, you can't the son of the father. But can you remember back in the them, they say they can think about being married before you get this and that done and all of that stuff. So the father forced him to do it. Because he going to make the father a bad name. You understand?
You know, look
But what
like
I find
you
is-
really want
I
it.
mean, she wouldn't have been in their class, right? She wouldn't have been in their class at the time.
No. Me back in my time, you know, you have to marry within your class, you know.
Mm-hmm.
You understand? We're not talking about color. We're just talking about if somebody come from wherever you're.
You could have your parents couldn't say you got high school and you got married to a boy with a secondary school.
Yeah,
You mad?
it was very frowned upon.
Mm-hmm.
You understand? So I think that is what happened. So it has endured because they could have separated. So I don't know if she have something over him. That's all.
Go there,
You
Munchie,
understand?
go there.
Whatever it is, them endure. It,
Left the
it has
KFC
endured.
alone.
Petal, Antenna in the comment section, what is he saying that he doesn't believe?
I believe that me say Antenna can't just go on with the propaganda. We don't talk propaganda over. You say anywhere me there? We're gonna talk the facts. So Antenna not have to believe and Antenna can't hang on to the say she did 14 or she did do much. Me know the facts. I me just a tell Maria know me. Me not no reason to tell a lie. Right? The facts is that is not true. Our mother was never a helper.
All right, so
Anybody who come
Okay.
from Alverstown or ever lived down there, if you ask them who Miss Thierry was, they're going to tell you that she was the dressmaker and Brazilian.
And based on what Petal said, me know exactly where she attacked.
some man go leave some sneaker in the house.
No, because members I think they right up the road, you know. In father place where the disabled people them they just they right up the road, you know.
The parents used to live over College Common where all the professors and them live.
Live right up the road.
This one.
Mhm.
Oh yes. That would be so. That would be so for sure.
That would be the community where you can go have like recreational activities. You understand?
Yes.
And them used to ride bicycle. So them used to ride bicycle
You go there, so you go down a flats or so. You understand?
Now you go
Okay.
swim over your way, run at the pool.
Yeah, but you a ball.
Yeah. That's so true.
Yeah.
It all ties.
And if you want to burn you know what? You have a finish for which part it a burn, right?
Me go fi say that a while ago.
Mhm.
But so if you want get the real high, cause me have some cousin them, I saw them stay too, you know. You have to go down flat down a Judgment Yard. You saw it go.
Me dey in a box. I want to go on there. Evening.
Where you going with one general?
I'm there. I still want to drink one wine and a bun one.
That drink one what?
Tonic wine.
Yes, man. Build up back the body. So how the wind look down there and everything there?
Well, all I'm seeing right now is mist, or the guys call it fog,
Okay.
and it's rather chilly.
Mm-hmm.
And the intermittent dew rain on and off.
Me I watch a US program earlier.
And if I hear the saying, say young word no storm.
Yes. Rusty. Listen what.
Them in there kick up one piece of rumpus, pour them there no walk along.
Mm-hmm. Me watch one new weather channel earlier, right? And it a show me say if the hurricane come like how it a go come down a Bull Savannah, it a go come up through Bull Savannah. Earlier it a show me say it a go hit it at about 120 miles an hour, right? Upper Philip side, if it go down in a Trelawney.
I don't want to burst your bubble in Olympic, but I prefer the channel that I watch that says it's drifting west.
Okay.
I'm liking that model more.
Okay. Me no know. Me
I
no see that.
really don't want to call it living in denial, but I really don't want to think that it's coming for us like that. 'Cause
Yeah, but you're prepared though.
I have never met this lady. I don't have any children with her. My cousin, I don't know why she wants to visit me and in such bad temper.
Yes. In such quick speed, eh?
And behaving quite ferocious. I don't want her here.
Them not say, Melissa, come and look for your husband.
Or a skirt, she a come skirt. What them say? Cause whole for water, she a leg at high speed, you know.
Rusty, good evening.
Yes, daughter, one love, one go on there.
I want it to make it way east. Where said I make it way west? No, it a come west. It a come where now, Rusty?
Drifting west, but
that means that I drift past we go down, sir?
Go down, so it a pass Clarendon, a pass the coast, and go further out.
And go down to it a pass Rocky Point, Manchester.
There's a wind shear, a cold wind shear.
We know, man. Me know, but me I say which way to drift now.
But the wind shear is sort of dissipating and it's drifting further to that side.
So now it curve back to east.
Well, that's the trajectory, but based on the fact that it's drifting further west, it might not pass over the center of island as projected.
Because the mountain range, them a push it out same way.
Which is very good for us, Rusty, because I can't live without internet, you know, me complain for a night.
No, not that.
Look, you know, none of what go on with she and fear badness not really trouble me, except me want to leave me all stop alone.
Yeah.
Would mind if you leave us all alone. Me kind of feel it, you know, so the government just, we get 10 months of rain last year and couldn't start the roadworks. And then when we start the roadworks, here comes trouble. You know,
so I'm gonna PMP, but Rusty, we have to bring everything in a politics, you know.
No, so Navi down there. I don't know if I come, she won't come up.
Me have to go there. You know why I have to go there?
The moderator, them there. I'm look here.
Listen, Rusty, I have to go there. You know why I have to go there? There are these this plastic bottom girl going around talking about she advocated for roads and water and rate, and I am wondering, when did she do that? She never even get. I don't think she collect her first month pay as a member of parliament. And I hear this guy Ian Hills running off his mouth and getting on real hysterical and behaving badly. And quite a few of them running off their mouth like it's all about money. All I care money. Me kind of, but crying out us. For them to stay and everything stay in place. Most things, all things possible. That's them don't have no excuse. Them don't have no chat. Them don't have no reason for have no money. I want no money and get no money for them.
I agree.
But them just money. They just don't want money. So what is wrong with these people? Jesus Christ.
Because they want the money to take for themselves. Them see the money, remember, most of the parish councils controlled by them, Enough money missing here, there, and everywhere.
My real concern is right now, they judge my case and send Sylvia to prison, and Norman Scott, and this other guy, other guy. No one, they make it, we need to get rid of some of these people, man, because, you see, I don't like the idea of these people staying outside of government, running government, and that's what is exactly happening.
But Rusty, you have to go back to history, Rusty. This is how they try to topple the government each time, from 72, in 89, have the media at that time, JBC heavy behind them, Remember, so they topple the government, That
but
is
what I want the government to do is to fight back.
Yeah, man.
So when them people come curry favor and bully you.
No, man, we don't worry about them, man.
Right now, I am expecting to wake up tomorrow morning and hear that is Mr. Andrew Holness summon this storm,
No, them say it already. No, people in the street say it already.
So what?
Say Andrew Holness is storm come from. Kind of wicked.
What? Oh my God. Kerry, where you going with Kerry?
Eh?
What did you say a while ago?
Yes, Munchie?
What did you say?
No, the gentleman was saying he wouldn't be surprised if tomorrow he hears say, Andrew, they hear them say that Andrew Holness can't conjure up the storm. Right? And I'm just telling. Oh yeah, them say it's already.
You said already, my dear. I'm people them already. Not people them. But yeah, I agree with the Rusty. I don't want no opportunity for the PNP MP don't get no money to spend. And the PNP contractor didn't get no money to spend because all of the work them give out already before they come in. All the contractor them identify already. After them contractor hungry bad.
No, but you know, so what happened out of West out of Moran Bay there out of Moran Bay when them just win. You know, so the people them go there and talk about them and come take over sometimes and Robert Morgan has to stand up on him for.
That's why I don't want intensive road work again because I feel the contractor will get the work now. So I don't want nothing for them. I stay out of pasta. And then stay out of pasta. Not the way they stay out of pasta, guys. We don't want them back.
Where them and the works has to be done. You understand? So if the JFD don't want to stay there and put up, make sure so they show they work what they want to do. So nobody can go create a narrative on them. Well, they would be this shipping.
I want MP on us, the roadside. I claim no work and I'm allowed for it. She.
By the way, I want to use this opportunity to commend Madam First Lady for our stance in the House of Parliament.
Yes.
Or keeping in check those band of wolves, those Alibabas and his 27 Alibaba guy and his 27 crooks. You know, you read the Alibaba story with the 2017.
Yes.
It was 40. Then we only have 27 now. And Alibaba himself.
But say the speaker of the house.
Commending her
lady.
I think she should get a medal of honor for keeping those band of wolves. Those pack of wolves in check. Yeah? They're not really used to being kept in check, so it kind of bother them. It's a feather wicked. I'm liking it. I enjoy it. I enjoy it. And their mind thing says she come after them, but no. It's that them come after she and she keep them in check and show them, so watch you know.
Okay.
See check.
Okay.
Yeah,
okay.
Shut up and sit down. Me like how she deal with the egg jet. Shut up and sit down. Yeah, sit down. Shut your damn little egg jet self.
So fool.
And he must just
ask the question.
What is man? But he had to shut up and he had to sit down too.
So fool. Whoa.
Yes, man. And that little guy that like to jump up and grab up. That little guy will like jump up and grab up in marble and done run to him, mama. The white one. I wish he would stay out of our parliament. Every minute him jump up, grab up in marble and got them. Oh, can't we have a prime minister like that now? Every little thing you bex and grab up your marble and run gone. Like something could spoil picnic. You have no get to a
How dare you turn off my mic?
Hey, friend. About the ramping for the
You can black.
I'm tired of that words.
Well, the only how you deal with wolves. You have to attack them.
Yeah, sometimes you have to Jim Jones them.
You have to take up your stone and stone them there like
100 life where you say more walkout, I care zero much more walkout than more have to do. And any more walkout they stage, that is just showing the general populace that they voted for the wrong guys. You don't vote for nobody that is going to stand up for you. You vote for people that is going to run when the heat get hot. Yeah? Yeah. I saw that the kitchen they running 100 life, a parliament that, you know, nation's business deal with this is not a dolly house. Anybody feels a dolly house to come to play, take for yourself, walk the hell out. Go one side and don't come back to me either. Bro, you walk out. This all make about the 4th or the 5th time now this guy walk out. I must say walk out, my girl, walk out.
This thing said, should I go back? I said, no, stay, please stay. I was wrong. She have the gavel still, let's see the gavel.
Every minute I walk out, I must say, walk out, my girl, walk out. I must say, blood clot that them do, I can't see worse nothing. I can't parliament them there.
The gavel and
show. Don't have to follow no farmer rules nor order. Them is a set of gangster.
I want to disrupt the government.
I bring
disrupt the people's business.
I bring Greenland and blood clot, ream and jungle in the market. It not gonna work in the parliament. It not gonna work. I bring coronation market in the blouse and skirt parliament. It can't work. It not happen. Must not be allowed to happen. Them two order. And I am behind this soul, this 112 Mary Andre behind her long time. Yeah, but they're right beside her. Right beside you, Mrs. Holness. I am 110%.
When she did what she did, it was the best thing. When she did what she did, it was the best thing. It's the best thing since sliced bread.
You know, so I feel like somebody hold the chair and shake with me. I want it from my imagination.
You feel an earthquake?
No, I just feel, so long as I feel like somebody hold the back of the chair and shake it.
Okay.
But I don't know someone
that's cost to.
Doesn't near me.
No, that's cost to flat, man. Get to rough.
Me the help on the bed in the lie down and just feel the bed sink down and look around and somebody. I'm sure I feel somebody sit down. All the while there.
Okay. Yeah, man, what Mrs. Holness did was the best thing, man. Best thing.
Shut up and take your seat. Take your seat, member. A member now don't talk, she just cut off member mic.
He's a damn fool.
Member stand up there when he's sitting in her hand.